I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate hours in Excel. First, ensure your time entries are consistent, using a standard format like 8:00 a.m. or 13:00. This consistency is crucial for Excel to recognize and process the data correctly. We will then explore basic subtraction formulas to find the duration between start and end times. Finally, I will show you how to format the cells to display the total hours in a user-friendly way, making your spreadsheets more efficient. To begin, enter your start time in one cell and your end time in another. For example, type 9:00 a.m. in cell A2 and 5:00 p.m. in cell B2. Excel automatically interprets these as time values. If you prefer, you can use a 24-hour format such as 9:00 and 17:00. Always double-check that Excel has applied a time format to these cells to prevent calculation errors later on. This foundational step is vital for accurate results. Now let's calculate the duration. In a new cell, say C2, enter the formula equals B2A2 to subtract the start time from the end time. This will give you a decimal value representing the fraction of a day. To convert this into total hours, simply multiply the result by 24. So your formula becomes equals B2A2 * 24. This provides the exact number of hours worked, ready for further analysis or payroll calculations. For clear presentation, format your total hours cell as a number with 2 decimal places. This makes it easy to read, for example, 8:50 hours. If you're dealing with overnight shifts where the end time is numerically smaller than the start time, adjust your formula. Add 1 to the end time before subtracting the start time, like equals B2 plus 1A2 * 24. This ensures correct calculations across midnight. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.